In many cultures, identity is a location. In the Igbo world, it is an inescapable blood covenant. We believe that if you have Igbo blood running through your veins, you are Igbo. Period. You might have been born in London, Houston, or Salvador. You might never have set foot on the red soil of the East. Perhaps you've recently discovered through DNA testing that you carry Igbo ancestry. But to the Umunna and Umuada, the global family, you aren't part Igbo. You are ours. We claim you. Your name isn't just a label. It is a cultural GPS. Because Igbo names are clustered along dialectical and geographical lines, your surname tells the world exactly where your people built their first fires. Today, we move from the tentative to the definitive. Abum, I am. Ndewo, no. Welcome to day 2 of the Foundation Week. The Emergence. I'm Yvonne Mbanefo and this is Igbo Daily Drops. Our mission to raise 10,000 next generation Igbo speakers relies on this one truth. You cannot learn a language until you accept that it belongs to you. Today, we talk about the power of saying yes to your own blood. Today's guidance is Onye kwe, Chi kwe. If a person says yes, their Chi says yes also. Your Chi, your personal spirit, or to use Christian speak, your guardian angel, waits for your signal. If you walk through the world unsure of your right to be Igbo, your destiny remains in the waiting room. But the moment you agree with your lineage, your Chi aligns with you. You must be the first to agree with who you are. Igbo people are never careless in naming. Every name is a premeditated venture designed to speak to the future. Take my own name, Yvonne Chioma. My father, a man who loved the grace of the tennis court, named me Yvonne after the Wimbledon champion Yvonne Goolagong. He believed I would be great in tennis, perhaps even a tennis legend. Now I have absolutely zero skills in tennis, as anyone who has seen me near a racket can attest. But he was naming his aspiration for me. Then there is Chioma. My parents gave me this name Chioma because a flood of good things happened just before I was born. So they believed I brought them luck. Chioma means good destiny or good luck. But look at the GPS within the name. It starts with Chi. It is a permanent claim that my personal God and my life force are good. When an Igbo person meets you and hears a name like Chioma or Chinwe or Mbanefo, they begin to map you. Your name is a lighthouse. When you say Abum followed by your name, you are activating that GPS and telling your people, I am here. Find me. In today's Scholars Park, we are unpacking the science behind the name. A 2017 study by Hilary Okagbue and his team offers statistical proof that the Igbo naming system is much more than labels. It is a sophisticated philosophical project. By analyzing nearly 1,000 names, they found that Igbo names are essentially sentential. That means full sentences that act as cultural GPS. whether it's marking a market day like Mbafo or Mbweke or honoring a maternal line, the data shows that every name carries a map of our history. But the most striking discovery was the Chi factor. The data reveals that the influence of Chi or Chukwu, the creator, or Chineke, is so dominant that these terms appear in almost 50% of all Igbo personal names. So sometimes when you hear Chi, the person naming knows the Chi they mean, whether they mean the personal spirit or they mean Chineke, God. This isn't just a tradition, it is statistical proof of our worldview. The study also confirms that names are clustered by dialect, serving as a linguistic DNA that points directly to our geographical ties. So when you speak your name, you aren't just identifying yourself, you are presenting a data set of your people's history and their highest hopes for your soul. Let's claim our coordinates. Say these with the weight of your entire lineage behind you. 1. Abum. Abum. I am. Repeat after me. Abum. 2. Abum onye Igbo. I am an Igbo person. You have to claim it. Abum onye Igbo. 3. Ahambo. My name is. You have to speak your GPS coordinates. For me, Ahambo Yvonne Mbanefo. Your turn. Ahambo. Food for thought. As you go through your day, look at your name. Does it point to a market day, a victory, a situation that happened around the time of your birth, or a moral responsibility? If you've been hiding your name because it's too difficult for others to pronounce, remember, you are turning off your GPS. You are making it harder for your people to find you. Today, turn the light back on. Today in your Foundation Week workbook, we have a special Name GPS activity for the family. It will help you and your children research the specific coordinates of your surnames. If you haven't yet done so, download your free Igbo Heritage Family Kit at learnibonow.com. Use the family pledge to declare Abum onye Igbo. Frame it. Hang it on your wall. Let it be the physical yes that your Chi is waiting for. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds the Okosimiri Muti Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Abụ m nwanne gị nwaanyị Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Mbanefo. Ka mbọ ị na-agba mụtara gị ezigbo mkpụrụ. May all your efforts create viable seeds. Ya gaziere gị. May it go well for you.